Hey everybody, what's up? It's Kiki and welcome back for another video. Today I'm coming at you guys with the end of summer get ready with me featuring hair and makeup. I am using some new products from Juvia's Place and restyling my DSoar hair that you guys saw in a previous video. Today I'll be trying the All Heroic Sin Banana Bright Face Primer. This was my first time actually using this primer and I have to say that I really like it. I am also going to correct my face with this MAC Correct and Conceal, and I always use just orange shade. I've never used the yellowish shade, and I'm just going to correct all the hyperpigmentation on my face. And I have really been loving this foundation. This is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation in the shade Legos 240, and then I'm just going to apply the foundation using the new Juvia's Place foundation brush. Shout out to my supporter who told me to try this shade. It is a perfect match and I absolutely love this foundation. To conceal and highlight, I'll be using Juvia's Place concealer in shade 11. And to contour, I'm using the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Cocoa. To set my concealer, I'm using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic setting powder in the shade Kalahari. And I really like the shade of this powder, and I also like the formula. I just don't like the component because it's too small. I can't really work with the top, so I have to like pour it on something else just so that I can use it. But other than that, I really like the powder. And I really don't do too much for my eyes. I just put something warm in my crease and then something shimmer on my lid. And I'm going to do that using the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia, as well as the Queen palette collab between Juvia's Place and Fumi.
Are you listening? Damn.
And that's it. That's all I'm doing. So I told you guys before that this wig from DSoar hair did not have like a lot of parting space, but I still wanted to try it as a middle part. So I'm just going to use the Bold Hold Active Glue to lay my wig down like I usually do. And I'm just going to apply a couple layers, let it dry. And I'm just going to apply the wig and tie it down while I finish up my face. My favorite bronzer of this summer had to be the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami. I love this. And then I'm just going to take a few more products from Juvia's Place and complete my face. The blush from the Saharan Blush palette, I believe, as well as the highlighter out that palette as well. And I'm going to use the lip gloss in the Queen Royalty from the Fumi and Juvia's Place collab, and it is like a brownie nude color. And you guys know these hairpins are all the rage this summer. I did get a custom one made. I did have intentions of selling these on my website, but I didn't get around to it. But I am applying one of the new lashes that has dropped on my site, which is BFF, perfect for glass wearers or anybody who just wants to wear a natural lash every day. So make sure you guys go check out my website, Cotton Candy Eyelashes. And that is it. I will have everything that I used in the description box. I will also have the link to my first video to this hair in the description box. But make sure you guys go check out DSoar hair. Make sure you guys go check out Cotton Candy Eyelashes. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to thumbs up and let me know. I love you guys, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.